Dumelang to all the Bantus in the world. This is the second part of the video, which was dealing with a very important question that was posed in Proverbs 30 verse 4. In the previous video, a case was made for the name Usonini Nanini, I am that I am, and Mulimu and O Elohim, referring to the Alahayim. In this video, I will be dealing predominantly with the name of the Son of the Most High. As we would know, Jesus, Jesu, Uyesu, these are not the name of the Son of the Most High, as I will try to demonstrate. Now, the name of the Son of the Most High is traceable from John 3 verse 16. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish, but have everlasting life. The name of the Son of the Most High, therefore, has a clear intent to save from eternal death. The word Savior captures the essence of the name of the Son of the Most High. In isiXhosa, the name of the Son of the Most High is Umsindisi. In Sesotho, Setswana, the name of the Son of the Most High is Mupulusi. If we have to go Hebrew, and also within the context of the intent of the Son of the Most High's name to save, Yeshaya or Yeshua, as both names refer to Savior, would be the name of the Son of the Most High. But in Setswana, the name of the Son of the Most High is Mupulusi. The names of the Most High and his Son are clearly therefore not Jehovah, Yahweh, or even Jesus. Now, if you go to the Zondervan Bible Dictionary, it is mentioned there that the name Yahweh, or the YHWH, which is the Tetragrammaton, this is a deity of Jewish people. In Strong's Concordance at H1942, it is provided there that the name Hawa, which comes from Yahweh or Yahweh, forms part of the actual deity of the Jewish people. This word means nothing but calamity, mischief, naughty, perverse thing, very wicked. Now, who else can have this name with this kind of meaning? The Most High definitely cannot have this name. Who else? It has to be the devil, Satan. Further on, the name Jesus cannot be the name of the Son of the Most High. If Jesus is Hebrew, his name could not have been Jesus because the Hebrew language alphabet does not have the letter J. The same principal argument can be made with the name Jehovah. Now clearly we can see that the name that we have been calling has always been the name of the adversary of the Most High. If you look at Revelation 12 verse 9, and the great dragon was cast out, that old serpent called the devil, and Satan, which deceived the whole world. So we have definitely been deceived. The Batswana therefore refer to the Most High as Mudimu and his Son as Mupulusi. Now the Israelite children were enslaved by the Egyptians, and as per the curses of the Most High, they lost their way, and they worshipped other gods, and followed other traditions, such as the god of the Egyptians, Ra. The Batswana people, they worship the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Their language, their culture, their religion, and their customs speak for themselves.